Are you ready to experience the power of precision cutting like never before? Well, introducing the incredible Makita DSP600 36V brushless plunge saw. Prepare to be amazed, guys, as this remarkable saw will unleash its true potential. Powered up by not one, but two 18V batteries. These batteries transfer their energy to a mind-blowing 36V DC motor drive system, giving you an unrivaled cutting experience. That's not all, guys. Its automatic torque drive technology can adapt to all cutting speeds. And let's not forget about the soft start technology. Means no more jarring startup shocks. Smooth, splinter-free cutting has never been so effortless. But wait, there's more. When connected to the guide rail system, this takes precision cutting to a whole nother level. The saw and the guide rail system are a hand-in-hand, which produce accurate cuts with minimal tear outs. So all your projects will turn out flawless every time. With a variable speed dial, this ranges from 2,500 to 6,300 RPM. And an electrical brake, so as soon as you let go of the trigger, it will automatically stop, which will help you gain complete control while in use. Need to do some bevel cuts? No problem. This Makita DSP600 can do bevel cuts from -1 all the way to 48 degrees. You can achieve the perfect cutting depth effortlessly with the depth adjustment and depth stopper, allowing you to create preliminary grooves for splinter-free cutting. Apart from this, thanks to its flat outer guard, you can cut as close to 18mm away from the wall. This saw is a multi-material powerhouse. From large wood panels to MDF to melamine to aluminium, this saw can handle it all. But Makita didn't just stop there, because the locking lever ensures easy blade installation. And the supplied 165mm blade is ready to take on any challenge. The saw is a very well balanced and lightweight design. It's only 5.1 kilograms, so it makes it very easy to move around during the worksite. Plus, the soft grip handle provides maximum user comfort. The 3-stage LED gauges indicate the battery charge levels, ensuring you're always aware of the remaining power. So you have many options to choose how you want to buy this machine. So you can buy body only, or to buy the ultimate convenience where it comes with the whole kit, which I'm about to show you right now. This kit includes two Makita 1.5mm guide rails, a Makita guide rail connector, a guide rail clamp set, an XL 1.5mm guide rail bag, and a mat pack carry case. It's a complete package that is an amazing value for your money. Don't miss out on these incredible deals. To learn more and to get your hands on one of these plunge saws, visit toolsoftrade.co.uk and also subscribe on our channel to see more reviews like this.